Nike Space Hippie 1, Nike Space Hippie 2, Nike Space Hippie 3. Hey YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, I have a very special treat for you. Our good friends from SOLE REPUBLIQ sent over the entire Nike Space Hippie collection. So I think those are like 3 sneakers. So we're going to unbox them, check them out, and just, well, take a look if they're good or not. So let's go. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We do constant giveaways here. By the way, give this video a thumbs up. That will really help out a lot. In fact, we're going to announce a winner of our Vans raffle, a Vans neighborhood collaboration raffle. So make sure that you watch until the very end to see that if you actually won our previous giveaway. So good luck. Now, to those who don't know, the Nike Space Hippie collection is inspired from, I think, getting debris in Mars. So apparently, they used trash or recycled materials to be able to put together different elements of the shoe. And the collection comes in 3 sneakers like what I just showed you guys, and each sneaker is built for a specific like purpose or I don't know, like athletic need. And what we'll do is we'll unbox all 3 sneakers today. Let's start with the Nike Space Hippie 1, and as you guys can see, the box isn't your typical Nike box. It's a brown box, kinda more on the eco-friendly, recyclable type of material. It does say on the side though what model it is, what size, and all the other details. And if you pop the box open, you have the Space Hippie logo at the top of the lid, and then it says over there, Nike Trash Transformed. You have a QR code, and then the shoe itself doesn't come in like tissue paper or whatnot. It comes in this recyclable or upcycled bag. So this is what it looks like. This is what the Nike Space Hippie 1 looks like. Now, to those who are wondering what is this yellow tag over here, this is something that the guys over at SOLE REPUBLIQ attached to their shoes to show that they've authenticated the shoes or for them to brand the sneaker. Lerwin, kung nanonood ka, alam mo bro na hindi ako fan nito, but okay. But yeah, so let's go back to the shoe. Now, the most striking thing about it really for me is the midsole, because the midsole looks hella funky with all the different like materials that you see jutting out. It's literally as if they cram different materials and different, I don't know, like trash to be able to form the midsole. And it looks comfy. I can't put it on because it's not in my size. He wasn't able to get it in like a bigger size. But yeah, it looks crazy. The design aesthetic by itself, very futuristic, very upcycled vibe. And one thing that I noticed though, if you take a look at the bottom, there's this white material like encased in this midsole. And I'm thinking that really looks like Boost. So take a look, right? So obviously it's not Boost because that would be like a lawsuit waiting to happen. But it really reminds me a lot, even the feel, if you press on it, it really reminds me of the Boost material of Adidas. So yeah, I just want to point that out, but obviously it's not. Now, if you take a look at the upper, this is some sort of like upcycled or recycled knit material, and it's kind of like a sock experience. And you have a pull tab over here at the back. So this is the first Nike Space Hippie 01 sneaker. Now let's take a look at the second one. By the way, as we are unboxing the 3 sneakers, please do let me know in the comment section which of the 3 you guys love the most, and I will also share my thoughts on which one is my pick at the end of the vlog. So if you pop this box open, it's the same aesthetic. You have the brown carton, you have the branding, and this, it also comes with the dust bag, and then we get to the actual shoe. So this is the Nike Space Hippie 2. So what's the difference between the first one and this one? It's striking at the get-go. So the first thing is that the collar is not as high, so it is lower cut. And then if you take a look at the laces, this one has laces. The previous one is a laceless version of the Nike Space Hippie. So this one has a lacing system in multicolor, kind of reminds me of the LeBron laces from one of his multicolor sneakers. Apart from that, everything else is the same. You have that same knit recycled upper, you have that funky midsole, you have that almost, I really can't get over this one. It really reminds me of Boost. What do you guys think? I mean, I'll let the camera close up. The only thing missing is like the pellets, but the texture and the feel, very similar. But anyway, so again, I'm pretty sure that it's different. It's just me rambling. So anyway, this is the second Nike Space Hippie sneaker. And again, Please take note that this yellow tag was added by SOLE REPUBLIQ, the reseller who sent the sneaker over for me to unbox and feature on today's channel. On today's episode, not channel, it's the same channel. Last but not the least, we come to the Space Hippie 3. And the Space Hippie 3 has the biggest box of them all. And I'm kind of thinking that obviously this will be the biggest sneaker of them all. And if you pop it open, again, the same branding, the same aesthetic. Whoa, 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 whoa. Now this is the one I like. Now this is funky. So, so this is the Nike Space Hippie 3. And as you guys can see, it has that same knit upper, but the difference is it's like a combination of the previous two ones. You have a higher collar over here. You have that same almost laceless vibe, but it does have like a pull tab, which reminds me of the Jordan system on how to lace up your sneakers. Actually says over here, Fast Fit 1.0. And you have some sort of like recycled rubber or TPU material to be able to put it together. You have this tab at the back. When you fast fit it, it also tightens because of this wire. And again, you have that midsole, you have that outsole with all of the debris, and you have that white material over here that I still can't get over. And then you have the embroidered Nike logo at the top running across the middle of the shoe. So this is the Nike Space Hippie 3. So again, Nike Space Hippie 1, Nike Space Hippie 2, Nike Space Hippie 3. Which one is your favorite among the trio? Let me know in the comment section down below. Would love to hear from you guys. If it were just me, just because it is crazier and funkier, I'd probably go with this one, but it is kind of harder to wear. This is the Nike Space Hippie 3. I'm sure a lot of you will probably gravitate towards the 1 or the 2. But yeah, let me know what you guys feel. Which of the 3 do you guys like? And at the same time, if you want to buy one or if you want to buy different sneakers, hype sneakers, please do check out SOLE REPUBLIQ. I will put a link down below to their Instagram account. Lerwin, maraming salamat sa pagpadala ng sapatos para ma-unbox natin today. Before we end the vlog, let me just take this along with me, and we go to the part where we announce the winner. I just want to give you guys a quick preview on what to expect on the vlog this weekend. Because it's already the weekend, I'm shooting this on a Friday, which means that it's Saturday tomorrow, yeah, obviously. So I'm thinking of doing a series called Mail Time. It's kind of like inspired by, of course, Casey Neistat, because I keep getting stuff. So this is like a bunch of stuff that was sent over, ranging from sneaker bags to custom acrylic cases to like specialized cards. And of course, we have a ton of sneakers that arrive almost on a daily basis. So what do you guys think of the concept of having a Mail Time segment in the vlog? Let me know what you think. Hit the comments. By the way, a review of this kick-ass massage chair from Agawa will be coming very soon. Watch out for my Tito review of this next week. So yeah, it is a really comfortable chair. I'll turn on the massage in a bit, but for now, let's find out who the winner is of the Vans Neighborhood Mr. Cartoon collaboration sneaker. Roll it. Congratulations to the winner. I'll be reaching out to you via Instagram to give you details on how you can get your brand new shoe. Guys, that's it for the vlog. Let me just remind you that as we enter the weekend, rest. Sleep well, get some deep sleep, take your mind off all the negativity and bad things. You can get back to the grind on Monday. But for this weekend, think about yourself for a bit, think about your family, and just soak in the love, soak in the positivity, soak in the absence of anxiety, fear, and worry, and just try to shut down and relax and take care of yourself. That's it for now. Peace. God bless. What's up?